Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host and dost Amir, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today we'll be making chili cheese mushroom caps, which are a hit during cocktail parties. No matter how much you eat, you will always feel like munching it more. I hope you will enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. To begin with the recipe, I'll start with making a slurry of flour and water to clean the mushrooms. I've taken 3 tablespoons of refined flour, and to this I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of water and whisk it well. This mixture will help us to clean the mushrooms by removing all the dirt particles stuck to it. I've got around 250 grams of button mushroom, of which I've removed the stem. In this we are going to add our slurry and mix it well. Make sure that you coat the slurry on all the mushroom caps. Also, one more thing I'd like to share is that you can wash and use the mushroom stems in mushroom soup and mushroom based sauces. After you have mixed it well, take the mushroom caps in your hand and slightly rub them with your fingers. And continue the same process with all the mushroom caps. And now we'll start making the stuffing for the mushroom caps. I've got some grated processed cheese and some mozzarella cheese. I'll add some chopped green chilies and red chilies, and also a tablespoon of chopped coriander and a tablespoon of milk to make it into a smooth paste. The mixture should not be too dry or too wet, it should be slightly moist. As you can see, I've thoroughly washed the mushroom and drained off all the excess water. Doesn't it look neat and clean? Now we'll start stuffing the mushroom with the cheese mixture. Take a small amount of mixture in your hand, stuff it inside the mushroom caps and scrape off the excess mixture from the top. Stuff the mixture properly so that it does not come out while frying. Make sure there is no cheese around the mushroom. Keep it neat and clean. Continue the same process with the other mushroom caps. To crumb the mushroom caps, I've got some fresh breadcrumbs. I made this breadcrumb by blending 6 slices of bread in a mixer. And to coat the breadcrumbs on the mushroom caps, I'm going to make a slurry of equal amount of water and refined flour with little salt and pepper and mix it well. I'll dip the mushroom caps in the slurry and I'll remove off the excess slurry from the mushroom caps. After that, I'll coat the breadcrumbs on the mushroom cap and dab it well. The mushroom cap should look nice and petite. We'll continue the same process with all the mushroom caps and we'll freeze it for at least 30 to 45 minutes. And now it's time to fry this delicious appetizer. Heat the oil on medium-high heat and fry the mushroom caps in batch-wise. Fry it until golden brown and serve it hot. Strain the oil after frying every batch and enjoy your party with these lovely cocktail snacks. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're watching this video for the first time, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out other videos on my channel. Follow me on Instagram for latest updates. The link will be in the description box. Until then, adios amigos. Take care.